तुमचं UK मराठी नर्सेस चॅनलमध्ये सगळ्यांचं स्वागत आहे आणि हे चॅनल जर तुम्हाला आवडत असेल तर नक्की लाईक आणि सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. आजची एक न्यूज आहे रिगार्डिंग COVID-19 वॅक्सीन रिझल्ट. कॉल टू प्रायोरिटाइज हेल्थकेअर स्टाफ आफ्टर एक्साइटिंग COVID-19 वॅक्सीन रिझल्ट्स. तर त्यांनी हेल्थकेअर स्टाफला प्रायोरिटाइज करायला सांगितलं आहे. तर हेल्थकेअर स्टाफ must be a priority when COVID-19 jab म्हणजे vaccine becomes available, a body representing NHS managers has said in the wake of latest result from UK coronavirus vaccine trial. It was announced today that according to preliminary results, the UK vaccine candidate against coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 was both safe and induced an immune reaction. Health and care staff must be a priority alongside other key workers and those who are vulnerable. तर हे खूप important आहे. The trial vaccine was shown to be able to find and attack cells infected with the virus and could find and attack the virus when it was circulating in the blood or lymphatic system. Early stage trial found the vaccine was safe, caused few side effects and provoked a T-cell response within 14 days of vaccination and an antibody response within 28 days. तर हे important आहे आपल्यासाठी. Finding from phase 1 and 2 trial of vaccine called CHADOX1 and COV19 was revealed. The Lancet मध्ये त्याने हे टुडे या लिंकवर तुम्ही क्लिक केलं तर तुम्हाला कळेल. Along with successful result from phase 2 Chinese coronavirus vaccine trial. तर त्यांनी हे डिटेल्स दिलेत, त्या ट्रायल्स वगैरे केलेत त्याच्याबद्दल. In response, Neil Dixon, Chief Executive of NHS Confederation, said, "This is exciting news, although we still need larger trials to know whether the vaccine offers the right level of protection. When a vaccine does become available, health and care staff must be a priority alongside other key workers and those who are vulnerable," said Mr. Dixon. तर ह्यांनी नर्सिंग टाइम्सला हे सांगितलेलं आहे. He added, even if a vaccine were to become available soon, it will take time to immunize everyone. It is worth remembering that latest estimates suggest that only around 1 in 16 people in England, 1 in 16 people in England, important ahe, have had the virus, and we still do not know how long any immunity they develop may last. An ideal COVID-19 vaccine should be effective after 1 or 2 doses. Work in target population, including older adults, protect from a minimum of 6 months and reduce onward virus transmission. The trial was too preliminary to confirm whether the new vaccine met these requirements, but phase 2 and 3 trials to confirm whether it effectively protects against the infection are underway. If our vaccine is effective, it is a promising option as these types of vaccine can be manufactured at a large scale. हे पण त्यांनी दिलेलं आहे. The early trial included 1077 healthy adults aged 18 to 55 years with no history of COVID-19 and took place in 5 UK hospitals between 23rd of April and 21st of May. तर ह्या ट्रायल झालेल्या आहेत. The sites were Oxford University Hospital, Southampton NHS Foundation Trust, Imperial College London, St George's University London, University Hospital NHS Foundation Trust, University Hospital Bristol and Western NHS Hospital Trust. The NHS Hospital NHS Hospital Trust असं म्हटलं जातं नेहमी. The participants either received the trial vaccine or meningococcal conjugate vaccine, with some also asked to take paracetamol before and for 24 hours afterwards to help reduce vaccine associated reaction. तर हे पण चांगलं दिलं त्यांनी. The vaccine was found to have an acceptable safety profile and there were no serious adverse events. हे पण एक गुड न्यूज आहे. Fatigue and headache were the most commonly reported reactions. Fatigue आणि headache रिपोर्ट केले असतील ट्रायल ज्यांनी घेतली त्यांनी. Other common side effects include pain at the injection site, that is common आहे मला वाटतं ते, muscle ache, malaise, chills, feeling feverish and high temperature. हे पण side effects possible generally त्यांनी सांगितले आहे. Those taking paracetamol had reduced pain, chills, feeling feverish, muscle ache, headache, malaise in the 2 days afterwards. Side effects were less common after second vaccine dose. तर हे त्यांनी सांगितलं आहे काय झालेलं आहे. स्टडी co-author Professor Sarah Gilbert from the University of Oxford said there is still much work to be done before we can confirm our vaccine will help manage the COVID-19 pandemic. But these results hold promise. म्हणजे एक पॉझिटिव्ह साइन आहे असं त्यांनी सांगितलं इथे. As well as continuing to test our vaccine in phase 3 trial, we need to learn more about the virus. For example, we still do not know how long an immune response we need to provoke to effectively protect against SARS-CoV-2 infection. हे पण त्यांनी सांगितलेलं आहे. तर चांगलं डिटेल आहे. Our vaccine is effective. It is promising option as these types of vaccine can be manufactured at large scale. प्रोफेसर गिल्बर्टने सांगितलेलं आहे. त्याच्यानंतर त्यांनी दिलं आहे की lead study author Professor Andrew Pollard, also from Oxford University, highlighted that the trial vaccine was a chimpanzee common cold or adenovirus vaccine that expresses the coronavirus spike protein. When the adenovirus enters vaccinated people cell, it also delivers the spike protein genetic code. तर हे त्यांनी सांगितलेलं आहे इथे. अजून काय सांगितलंय बरोबर. This it used a common cold virus that infects chimpanzees which has been weakened, so it cannot cause disease in humans, and genetically modified to code for spike protein for the coronavirus. This means that when the adenovirus enters the vaccinated people's cell, it also delivers the spike protein genetic code. हे त्यांनी सांगितलेलं आहे. म्हणजे बेसिकली ॲडिनोव्हायरस जेव्हा वॅक्सिनेटेड लोकांमध्ये जाईल तेव्हा तो एक जेनेटिक कोड जनरेट करेल. दिस कॉजेस पीपल सेल टू प्रोड्यूस स्पाइक प्रोटीन. प्रोटीन एक रेडी होईल विच हेल्प्स टीच द इम्युन सिस्टम टू रेकग्नाइज SARS-CoV-2. तर हे खूप चांगलं आहे, खूप इम्पॉर्टंट गोष्टी आहे आपल्यासाठी सगळ्यांसाठी पूर्ण जगामध्ये. He also noted that the immune system had two ways of finding and attacking pathogens via antibody and T cell response. This vaccine is intended to induce both, so it can attack the virus when it is circulating as well as attacking infected cells, he said. He said आता त्यांनी दिलंय की we hope this means the immune system will remember the virus so that our vaccine will protect people for an extended period. तर ही इम्पॉर्टंट न्यूज होती कोविड रिलेटेड, म्हणून मी आज म्हटलं तुम्हाला वाचून पण दाखवते आणि थोडं डिस्कस पण करते. जस्ट फॉर द इन्फॉर्मेशन साठी आहे. होपफुली हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेल अशी मी आशा करते, आणि सगळ्यांनी मास्क सॅनिटायझर वापरत राहा. आणि थँक्यू व्हेरी मच फॉर सपोर्टिंग माय चॅनल. आणि चॅनल आवडत असेल तर लाईक आणि सबस्क्राईब करायला नक्की विसरू नका. थँक्यू.